Rojbash, Bakhair Hatten. I am Gule, your Kurdish Kurmanji teacher. I was born and raised in speaking Kurmanji, so I am here to help people to speak Kurmanji better or start from very beginning. If you are interested in our courses for beginners, elementaries, intermediate levels, you can check KurdishLessons.com. And if you are ready, let's do our today's lesson. Let's learn together. So today's lesson is about past continuous tense, right? So before we have studied the present tense, the future tense, the models, and there are some videos related to simple past tense. And today's video is about past continuous tense. So basically, past continuous tense is used to describe an event which happened in the past. So it started in the past and it ended in the past. Okay. So basically, when we say I was going, I was eating, I was meeting my friends, this is past continuous. Okay. So in Kurmanji, the past continuous tense is very simple if you know the simple past tense. Okay. So, but I will, of course, I will first give you the main rules for past continuous tense. Okay. So basically, like in the simple past tense, first you decide if your verb, like the verb you will use in your sentence, is transitive or intransitive. So first decide the verb, transitive or intransitive. Okay. So if the verb is transitive, it means this verb works with some objects. Like when you say, I eat apples, apples is the object. So the verb eating is transitive. But when you say, I go home, there is no object, no direct object. Okay, so you don't do anything with home. So what you go, no answer. So it's intransitive. Okay, so first check your verb transitive or intransitive. I will write some examples for intransitive verbs. 1 second. So intransitive verbs are basically these movement verbs, and mostly movement verbs like chun, hatin, vagarin, machine, bazin, derketen, keten, raketin is also intransitive to fall. Raketin, derketen, bazin, machine, vagarin, chun, hatin, khabetin. This verb is strange, but also intransitive to work. And shtagalin to speak. Peyvin. Yeah, these verbs are intransitive in Kurmanji. Okay, so and more. And for transitive verbs, basically the verbs like khwaren, vechwaren, to eat, to drink, vechwaren, khwanden, to study, diten, khwasten, kuren, to do, kurin, to buy. What else? Khwanden, khwasten, diten, goten, vegoten, to tell, like to telling a story. And what else? Khwaren, vechwaren, khwanden, diten, khwasten, kuren, kurin, goten, vegoten. So these are transitive verbs and these are intransitive verbs. Okay, so now let's do first intransitive verbs. Okay, so this page will be about intransitive verbs. So the rule for past, like forming the past continuous verb is very simple. Continuous verb is very simple. First, you put the. You remember the right, like from the present tense, as the chem to the chi, as the home, on the hun, and the huazen. So there is the with past continuous tense as well. After the, you need to put your past stem. So there are some rules to find the past stem. If you are not sure how to find the past stem, check the video related to simple past tense. Okay, so if I find it, I will put it in the description box. Okay. So first, since it is with intransitive verbs, you need the, past tense, and personal endings, like endings. Okay. For example, let's have a look at chun. Chun is to go. The stem is chu. In the past tense, you say as chum, to chuyi, au chu, am chun, hin chun, etc. So for the continuous tense, basically as the, so we have the, I put past them and then the ending. So as the chum, I was going. To the chuyi, you were going. Au the chu. So this is the rule. For third person, you don't add anything, just the chu. The and the stem, the chu. And the chun, we were going. Kun the chun, you were going. And au the chun, they were going. The chun, the chun, the chun for the plural. And au the chu, he, she was going. Was going. We were going. You plural were going. And they were going. So now, so your turn, you will write the conjugation for hatten. Hatten, it's to come. Past tense is had. So you will try to write, I was coming, you were coming, he was coming, she was coming, etc. for all pronouns, okay? So pause the video, write your conjugation, and then come to check with me your conjugations, okay? As the hatem, I was coming. To the hati, أو the hat, am the hatten, kun the hatten, أو the hatten. So you may say, why the personal ending is here, but only am here? It would be a good question. So it is because chun, chu, the stem chu, ends with a vowel. If it's a vowel, you add only M for I, you add ye for two, nothing for third person, and only N for the plural. And if you have a consonant ending stem, like hatten, so hat, E for you, for I, nothing for third person, N for plurals. Okay, and the hatten, when the hatten, أو the hatten. Okay, so now let's try another one. So but this one, the hatten, the hatti means I was coming, you were coming, she was coming, they were coming, etc. Now let's have a look at kitten. Kitten is to fall. So I was falling. How do we say? By the way, cat is the step. I was falling. How do we say? Think. The stem is cat. As the kitten to the catty, out the cat, am kun, out the kitten. Okay? Am kun, out the cat. Like the hatem, the kitten, the catty, the cat, the cat. Okay? And with intransitive verbs, so this is the affirmative form. And if you want to say the negative form, I was not coming. How do we say I was not coming? So it will be ne dhatam. So we have ne before the. Okay? And you keep the. In present tense, we drop the when it is I am going as the chum. I am not going as nachum. But when it is past continuous tense, you keep the and you put ne, okay? Nedhatam. Oops, sorry. I'm isolating. So nedhatam for This one. Okay, so for the chum, it will be nedchum, nedchum. To nedchuyi, أو ندشو، أم ندشون، كن ندشون، أو ندشون، ندشون. These should be purple. And these green. Okay, وفهمت. So now I wrote ندهاتم. How about you were not going to ندهاتي? Let's go to is better. To ندهاتي أو ندهات. أم ندهاتن، ندهاتن، كن ندهاتن. You were not coming. أو ندهاتن، ندهاتن. And for kitten, as the kitten I was following, negative, as nedket. To nedketi, أو nedket. أم هون أو ندكت، ندكت. وفهمت؟ So it means if you hear or see the past stem with the, it's continuous. Okay. So chum, I went. The chum, I was going. Hatem, I came. As the hatem, I was coming. So, and just keep in mind when the verb is intransitive, the endings, the personal endings that are added at the end to the end are related to a subject, right? It's as the hatam, to the hati, أو the hat, nothing, am hun أو the hatam. So now let's have a look at the transitive form. This is the confusing part. Okay, so let's remove this one, and we don't need this one. And for this here, we will speak about transitive one. So transitive one will be the red one. Okay? Okay. So let's have a look at khwara. Khwara is to eat, right? But first let's write formula. So formula is basically the same. You need the past stem, and then you need the endings. But just keep in mind the most important thing about past tenses. Whenever we add endings to the transitive verbs, these endings are related to the object. So I will write object, so you will understand that these endings e, no e, e, and for plurals are related to subject. Okay? So خوار, to eat. Okay. So men say that the khwar, no endings because object is singular. So for singular objects, no endings. Okay. So I was eating an apple. Te, say that the khwar, you were eating an apple. Where we say that the khwar, he was eating an apple. So you see, the verb is always the khwar, the khwar, the khwar. Why? Why? Because say that the object is the same. And I said these endings at the end of the verb relate to object. So object is still sevek, so you don't change the object. Same thing for the plural. ما sevek دخوار. We were eating an apple. Where, you guys, was sevek دخوار and one sevek دخوار. You were eating an apple, they were eating an apple. So since seven is the same, the verb is the same. So with transitive verbs, the important thing is the object, not subject. Yes, you didn't hear wrong. Object is more important. So now we will try بخوارن بخوارن to drink. So stem is to drink. بخوار, right? من بخوار تبخوار ويخوار بخوار. It's a compound verb. So من بدخوار. So if you have a compound verb, the is in the middle. This is I was drinking. Okay. من شايك بدخوار. I was drinking a tea. So here the verbs are same because in the first one no object, so it works like as a singular object, and in the second one object is singular, so you don't need any ending at the end of the verb. Okay, no e and no, nothing. And let's say you want to say I was drinking 2 cups of tea. من دو chai بدخوار بدخوارن. So here I have n, the plural ending, because my object is to chai. Do chai. I was drinking 2 tea. Okay? I was drinking 2 tea. وفهمت. So if you have a singular object, the conjugation of transitive verbs is only the and stem. And if you have a plural object, the ending is n. Okay, so men stay chiro. Men stay chiro. The Khwanden, I was reading 3 stories. I was reading 3 stories, okay? Min say chirok the Khwanden. So here, say chirok. That's why there is n at the end of the Khwanden. Okay? And if you say, I was studying Kurmanji, min Kurmanji, the Khwand, since Kurmanji is singular, no ending at the end of the Khwand. Just I was studying Kurmanji. Okay? So this is the very, very important rule about the transitive verbs. You have to take care of the object. Okay? So this video lesson will be 2 parts. Okay? So here I only showed you, intransitive verbs are easy. It's always the same. But transitive verbs are hard because you need to check the object very well. Okay. So in this video, we studied only when the object is singular and plural. Okay. So these are the rules. Now I will write some sentences. You need to translate them. Okay. So let's say I say in English, you say in Kurmanji. Yesterday, she was going home, and I was talking to my husband. Yeah. So stop the video, pause the video, translate this sentence, and then come here to check your translation with me. Okay? Okay, so now do au dchu male ou es b'mere khware de peyvim or d'shtaghlim or d'achvim. Okay, so these 3 verbs are to talk and they are intransitive. That's why as. Okay, ده أو دي چومانه و از بميري خورد تيذي. Okay. Now the second one. Last week, mm, on Tuesday, I was I was making coffee and listening to my friends. Yeah. Last week on Tuesday, I was making coffee and listening to my friends. Yeah, translated. هفته‌ی بوری or هفته‌ی چویی روژا سه‌شنبه من قهوه چه دکر و لهوالن خواه گهداری دکر. So گهداری کرن is transitive. چه کرن is transitive. من قهوه چه دکر و لهوالن خواه گهداری دکر. So say, when I was 5 years old, my father was working in a different city. You will translate this. Dema ko as 5 salibum bave min لباجاركي جودا دخبتي or كار دكر or دشغلي. Okay, دشغلي وفهمك. So if you have any questions about these 3 examples, you can write me in the comments. And if you write your own sentences, like about your last week, your childhood, I was doing this, I was working there, I was going, etc. If you write in the comment section, I will happily answer them, check them actually. Okay. So let's pass. I'm very happy to see you here. If you have any questions, always, you know my email address, Kurdish lessons 2019@gmail.com. And if you are interested in any Kurdish courses for complete beginners, for pre-intermediate learners, or for self-study courses, you can have a look at kurdishlessons.com. روجا وبمين خوش حتى فيديو كدن بخاطري. بكا بكا.